Hello, this is Judy Hagwood, Bio 168, Miss Burchett's class. I am about to do the wing dissection lab experiment. I just want you to see my surroundings here. I'm in my dining room or kitchen today, so I have just the instruction sheet here to label or identify the structures in the assignment, and I have the chicken there on my cutting board, and I'm just going to pan around so that you can see my kitchen. And my partner will be videotaping me today, so I'm going to turn this over to him so that he can videotape me, okay? All right, again, this is Bio 168, Judy Hagwood. Hi, Judy Hagwood, Bio 168. All right, so on our chicken wing dissection assignment, I have pre-dissected, and so now I'm ready to identify my parts. To begin with, we're going to take a look at the chicken wing skin, and as you'll see here, this skin of stratified squamous tissue has multiple pores here, and that these pores are reflective of where the chicken feathers would actually be attached. But again, like I said, the epithelial is of stratified squamous. I'm just going to roll that back here and move on to look at identifying our tendon. Our tendon is a structure that connects muscle to bone, and right here, this white fibrous and very strong like membrane here, I called it membrane, but tissue is actually connective tissue that would connect muscle to bone. So that is our tendon. Next, to identify our ligament, I'm just going to change the position of my chicken and a chicken wing here so that I can get down in here and pull the ligament out, which is another cord-like material, but the ligament actually connects bone to bone here. See if I can get a better example here. You can see here that it's running right along here, connecting bone to bone, and it comes right up to this attachment. Next on the list is I'm going to pull the skin back again just to identify the adipose tissue. And the adipose tissue is actually on the undersurface of my skin, and it does have that grease-like feel. It's also attached to this muscle here a little bit, but it is yellow in color, and my pointer is just kind of scrubbing across that right there. Next, I will point out the hyaline cartilage, and the easiest way for me to get that, or the articular cartilage, one and the same, is to put here this very shiny piece here. And again, it's at this other joint space here, but this is very easy to visualize. Moving on to compact bone, I'm just going to get here. Compact bone, the head of the bone is where we have spongy material, but the compact bone would be like your outer lining of the bone here. So that would be very strong, actually. So that would be where that's located. The bone marrow took the liberty of actually cutting the tip off of my wing so that I could bring it up and get to it. You'll see that the bone marrow is in the hollow portion of the bone here, and it's very spongy-like, and sometimes you can just pull that out. This here, it's a little hardened. But anyway, this is our bone marrow here, the red bone marrow that we're looking at there. And as far as blood, I had some blood vessels here. You can see that as I depress on that with my probe here, so you'll see the blood flow. You can actually see it right there, blood tracking through the vessel there. I'll just move that up and down so that you get a good visual of that. So that is our blood vessel there, which is also part of the connective tissue. Skeletal muscle, this here is a good muscle to just label out because it's dissected and the skin's uncovered, but we have additional muscle here as well. And as far as a nerve, I think I can get you a nerve here. Hold on one second, because it's going to be a little white thread-like structure. And hang on, it's usually running very close. You can actually see, no, I don't know, right, no, that's not it. Hang on a second. Sometimes I've got a little bit of film on here, but it's a little white. Oh, there's a little nerve running in there. There you see, very fine, very thread-like. And let's see if I can see anything better over here. This is kind of drying out once you get it exposed to air, this raw chicken. But that may be my best. Could be a nerve running right in here as well. All right, so this completes our assignment today of the chicken wing. Again, this is Judy Hagwood. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.